What's up everyone, I'm Tyler Thrift, recipe developer at HelloFresh, and this is HelloFresh Cooking Tips 101. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make veggie ribbons out of carrots and cucumbers. First, be sure to cut off the ends of your veggies. You'll want to peel the carrots. To create ribbons, you'll need a Y peeler or a swivel peeler. I'm using the OXO Swivel Peeler, which has a Japanese stainless steel blade so it's nice and sharp, plus an easy grip handle that won't slip even when wet. Take your peeler and apply it lengthwise down the carrot, creating long, thin strips. With the cucumber, you'll want to avoid the seeds, which you can do by rotating it as you peel so you don't go too deep. Once you have your carrot and cucumber ribbons, add them to a bowl with water. Then, cover them with a damp paper towel to keep them fresh until you're ready to use them. Voila! Now you have these fresh, beautiful veggie ribbons to use as needed. If you're looking to brush up on more kitchen techniques, be sure to check out the rest of the videos from our HelloFresh Cooking Tips 101 series.